Welcome, today in front of me DOOGEE S40 and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first you should go to the settings and here you will find this sound. Tap on that and scroll down a little bit with your finger and here you will see the default notification sound. Now that's Cobalt. Tap here to change it. So as can you hear, we can also add here another ringtone from your phone music or for the Google Drive you want. Okay, we'll go the layout. Tap now to OK, and as can you see, your notification sound has successfully changed. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.